Protect your teak wood decking with Ceramic Pro. Ceramic Pro is a clear, non-toxic, eco-friendly, and inorganic nano-ceramic coating. Once cured, Ceramic Pro is chemically resistant and cannot be removed by harsh chemicals, making it extremely durable. The unique nano-ceramic coating forms an exceptionally strong and durable ceramic glass shield on the surface, providing superior resistance to solvents, acids, alkalis, saltwater, UV, aging, and harsh weather conditions. The 115-degree water contact angle of Ceramic Pro provides a self-cleaning effect on treated surfaces, so when it rains, any dirt and grime will roll away, keeping the surface looking clean and free of contaminants.
The future is now. Ceramic Pro is a glass shield, not a wax or a sealant. This is a new category and a game changer in the automotive industry. Once applied to the car, it creates a permanent protection for your car's paint and clear coat. The glass shield forms a super slick hydrophobic surface that prevents dirt, tar, brake dust, or bird droppings from adhering to the surface of the vehicle. Water rolls off the surface and brings with it the dirt and grime. This is called the self-cleaning effect. The coating is both non-toxic and eco-friendly, inspired by nature's self-cleaning plants and flowers. Not only will your car stay cleaner longer, it will also be protected against a wide variety of scratches. The glass shield will prevent most scratches from going into the paint of the vehicle. Join the Ceramic Pro movement and get your car not only looking amazing, but also protected.